Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about a real-time scenario-based SQL problem. So this is our date range. This is our table. Here is our date, order date, ship date. So if someone asks, I need data from this date to this date. Okay, so I need the data. Many people can ask. So we cannot write it again and again the code. Okay, so for that thing we need a dynamic date range thing. Okay, so for that thing we can write an sp. Okay, so let's see how it can be done. So I'm creating it, create procedure, and procedure name will be get data. So for that thing we need a starting date and ending date, right? So I'm taking variable start date and end date. Okay, now as begin, then we need a system stored procedure. For that thing we need to write execute procedure name is sp execute SQL. sp execute SQL, it is a system stored procedure what allows to execute dynamic SQL queries. Okay, now we need to write a unique character n, then we need to write the query. Select star from table name where order date between start date and end date, right? Start date and end date. Okay, now another one. So we need to define which are the start date and end date. Okay, start date and end date. Okay, now again we need to define the actual parameter here. Start date comma end date. So this one is passing the actual value of the parameter. Okay, so then end. So if I execute this query, let's see, query completed. Now I will execute the procedure. Execute get data, and I need the date range, right? So 2014 0103 to second parameter is 2014 0104. 2 days data I need. So if I execute, then here you can see it is starting from 2014 3rd of January to 2014 4th of January. So we need to execute only these two parameters via ISP. Okay, so like this we can create a dynamic SQL, so dynamic stored procedure. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you like my videos, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.